The skies are about to get a whole lot more crowded. As we look up, we might soon see not just commercial airplanes and helicopters, but an increasing number of drones, both large and small, filling the airspace. This transformation is not just a futuristic vision, it's happening right now. In June 2025, China is set to unveil the Jiu Tian, a massive drone mothership designed to unleash swarms of smaller drones. This colossal aircraft is engineered to carry, launch and coordinate a fleet of drones, each capable of performing a variety of tasks, from surveillance to combat operations. This isn't science fiction, it's a game changer. The Jiu Tian represents a significant technological advancement, pushing the boundaries of what drones can achieve. Imagine a single mothership controlling an entire swarm, each drone working in unison to complete complex missions. The Jiu Tian represents a major leap forward in drone technology, with far-reaching implications for warfare and global security. This innovation could redefine military strategies, making traditional forms of combat and defense increasingly obsolete. For decades, drones have steadily reshaped the battlefield. From their early use in reconnaissance missions to their current roles in targeted strikes and supply deliveries, drones have become indispensable tools in modern warfare. We've seen them used for surveillance, targeted strikes, and even logistics. Drones have provided militaries with the ability to gather real-time intelligence, execute precision attacks, and deliver essential supplies to troops in remote locations. But the Jiu Tian takes things to a whole new level. This drone mothership is not just an incremental improvement, it's a revolutionary change. By acting as a mothership, it can deploy and control dozens, even hundreds of smaller drones, creating a formidable aerial force multiplier. By acting as a mothership, it can deploy and control dozens, even hundreds of smaller drones, creating a formidable aerial force multiplier. This capability allows for unprecedented coordination and efficiency in military operations, enabling complex maneuvers and strategies that were previously unimaginable. This development has sent ripples of concern through defense establishments worldwide. Military strategists and defense analysts are closely monitoring the implications of this new technology, understanding that it could alter the dynamics of global military power. The United States, long the dominant power in drone technology, is now facing a serious challenge. The introduction of the Jiu Tian forces a re-evaluation of current strategies and technologies, pushing the U.S. to innovate and adapt to maintain its edge. The Jiu Tian's arrival signals a potential shift in the balance of power, not just in the Asia-Pacific region, but globally. Countries around the world are now considering how to respond to this new threat, investing in their own drone technologies and developing countermeasures. The age of drone motherships has arrived, and with it, a new era of warfare. This new chapter in military history will be defined by the capabilities and strategies that these advanced drones bring to the table. As nations race to develop and deploy their own drone motherships, the future of warfare will be shaped by these technological marvels. The Jiu Tian is not just big, it's a marvel of engineering. This colossal drone represents the pinnacle of modern aerospace technology, combining advanced materials, cutting-edge design, and unparalleled manufacturing precision. Engineers have meticulously crafted every component, ensuring that the Jiu Tian not only meets but exceeds the rigorous demands of military operations. With a wingspan exceeding that of a Boeing 737, this behemoth dwarfs traditional drones. Its sheer size is a testament to the ambitious vision behind its creation. The Jiu Tian's wingspan allows for greater lift and stability, making it capable of carrying heavier loads and enduring longer missions. This design choice sets it apart from other drones, positioning it as a game-changer in aerial warfare. Its massive size allows it to carry a significant payload, estimated to be around 20 tons, a considerable portion of which is dedicated to its drone army. This payload capacity is not just about weight, it's about versatility. The Jiu Tian can transport a variety of equipment from surveillance tools to offensive weaponry, making it a multi-role platform. The ability to carry such a diverse array of payloads enhances its operational flexibility, allowing it to adapt to different mission requirements on the fly. While the exact specifications remain shrouded in secrecy, experts believe the Jiu Tian boasts an operational range of over 5,000 nautical miles and can reach altitudes exceeding 40,000 feet. This impressive range and altitude capability mean that the Jiu Tian can operate in a variety of environments, from dense urban areas to remote wilderness. Its high-altitude performance also provides a strategic advantage, allowing it to stay out of reach of most ground-based threats while maintaining a clear view of the battlefield. This combination of range and altitude allows it to operate far from Chinese shores, projecting power deep into contested airspace. The Jiu Tian's ability to cover vast distances without refueling makes it a formidable tool for power projection. It can reach critical areas quickly, providing real-time intelligence and support to ground forces. This capability is crucial in modern warfare, where speed and information dominance can determine the outcome of conflicts. But the Jiu Tian's true strength lies in its ability to deploy and control a diverse array of drones. Acting as a mothership, it can coordinate the actions of numerous smaller drones, each designed for specific tasks. This networked approach allows for a more dynamic and responsive aerial force capable of executing complex missions with precision. The Jiu Tian's command and control capabilities are enhanced by advanced AI systems, which enable it to manage multiple drones simultaneously, optimizing their performance and ensuring mission success. These smaller drones, each tailored for specific missions, can be launched and recovered mid-flight, creating a highly adaptable and resilient aerial force. Whether it's surveillance, electronic warfare, or direct engagement, these drones can be quickly deployed to address emerging threats. The ability to launch and recover drones mid-air reduces the need for ground-based support, increasing the Jiu Tian's operational efficiency and reducing its vulnerability to enemy attacks. From electronic warfare to reconnaissance to even kinetic strikes, the possibilities are as vast as they are unsettling. The Jiu Tian's drones can disrupt enemy communications, gather critical intelligence, and deliver precise strikes on high-value targets. This multifaceted capability makes the Jiu Tian a versatile and powerful asset in any military operation. Its presence in the skies serves as a constant reminder of the technological advancements driving modern warfare and the ever-evolving nature of aerial combat. Imagine a cloud of hundreds of drones, each a small autonomous hunter swarming over a target. This is the future of warfare, and the Jiu Tian is bringing it closer to reality. Drone swarms represent a paradigm shift, moving away from traditional platform-centric warfare towards a more networked and dispersed approach. The effectiveness of drone swarms was brutally demonstrated in the 2020 Nagorno-Karabakh conflict. Azerbaijan's use of Turkish-made drones, while not as sophisticated as China's emerging technology, overwhelmed Armenian defenses and proved decisive in the conflict. The Jiu Tian takes this concept to a whole new level. The sheer number of drones, coupled with their ability to coordinate attacks and overwhelm defenses, presents a nightmare scenario for adversaries. This is not just about quantity, it's about intelligent swarming, with drones communicating, adapting, and reacting to changing circumstances in real time. The unveiling of the Jiu Tian sends a clear message. China is serious about projecting power and challenging the existing global order. This advanced drone mothership represents a significant leap in military technology, showcasing China's growing capabilities in unmanned warfare. The Jiu Tian is not just a symbol of technological prowess, but also a strategic asset that could redefine power dynamics in the region. The implications are particularly significant in the Asia-Pacific region, where tensions are already running high. The Asia-Pacific has long been a theater of strategic competition, with multiple nations vying for influence and control. The introduction of the Jiu Tian into this already volatile mix could act as a catalyst, intensifying existing rivalries and sparking new conflicts. Taiwan, facing increasing pressure from Beijing, is undoubtedly watching the Jiu Tian's development with deep unease. The island nation has always been a focal point of Chinese military ambitions, and the Jiu Tian adds a new layer of complexity to the situation. With its advanced surveillance and strike capabilities, the drone mothership could give China a decisive edge in any potential conflict over Taiwan. The drone mothership's ability to project power across the Taiwan Strait could significantly alter the military balance, complicating any potential U.S. intervention. The United States, a staunch ally of Taiwan, has maintained a significant military presence in the region to deter Chinese aggression. However, the Jiu Tian's capabilities could challenge U.S. dominance, making it more difficult for American forces to operate freely in the Taiwan Strait. Similarly, the South China Sea, a hotbed of territorial disputes, is another potential flashpoint. The region is rich in natural resources and holds strategic maritime routes, making it a highly contested area. China's aggressive claims over the South China Sea have already led to numerous confrontations with neighboring countries, and the Jiu Tian could further embolden Beijing's stance. The Jiu Tian's long reach and surveillance capabilities could embolden China's maritime claims and further escalate tensions with neighboring countries. Its ability to monitor vast areas of the sea and deploy drones for various missions could give China a significant advantage in asserting its territorial claims. This could lead to more frequent and intense confrontations with countries like Vietnam, the Philippines, and Malaysia, who also have competing claims in the region. India, already locked in a border standoff with China, is also vulnerable. The two nuclear-armed neighbors have a long history of border disputes, and the situation remains tense. The introduction of the Jiu Tian into this equation could tip the balance in China's favor, giving it a technological edge in the high-altitude, rugged terrain of the Himalayas. The Jiu Tian's ability to operate at high altitudes in mountainous terrain poses a significant threat to Indian forces stationed along the disputed Himalayan border. Its advanced surveillance and strike capabilities could make it difficult for Indian troops to maintain their positions and respond effectively to Chinese incursions. This could lead to a new phase of the border standoff, with both sides escalating their military deployments and increasing the risk of a larger conflict.